All right, first round of chocolate milk. Jesus, that's dirty. All right, so in today's video, we're gonna do the most disgusting SUV on the planet, which is here. And that's my brother, the owner. You guys can roast him later. So this is the truck that we're gonna be cleaning inside. For those OGers, you guys know that this was my first Ashley Montero, and this is my second, which is right there. But this is how she is. He's gonna fix it, don't worry guys. It's in the Bronx, so you can't fix it until he moves out.
True.
It needs some TLC.
It's dirty on purpose.
This is like a little preview of what we're gonna be dealing with here. This is like a junkyard Montero Sport. Jesus. Because he lives in the Bronx, you can't put it nice. Well, I can vouch for that because as soon as I fixed that one, they broke 3 windows of mine.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue.
First round of chocolate milk. Jesus, that's dirty. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video. Until next time, guys. So this guy doesn't get his car dirty again. Please give me a like on this video. Until next one, guys. God bless. Stay pretty. Peace.